Let me show you how we can fix the missing LDAC or LHDC option in Bluetooth settings on OPPO Reno 15 Pro. So if you have a Bluetooth device and it is supposed to have the LDAC or LHDC audio codec or anything else that is considered an HD codec, then the reason why you might not have it is probably because of an app. So if you just installed an app for your Bluetooth device, for example for my earbuds I just installed this app over here, what you want to do is you want to check settings in that app and look for quality settings, or what is the priority, because if we have the connection set as the priority for the Bluetooth device, then we will not be able to use the HD codec. But if we switch to the sound quality, if the sound quality should be the priority for your Bluetooth device, then you should actually be able to fix this. So in this case, even though it says AAC, if I return to these earbud settings, then as you can see now I do have LDAC, and also if I open back my my Bluetooth device settings, you can see now I have LDAC option again. So of course you want to probably check your app that you have installed for your Bluetooth device and look for an option that allows you to choose the sound quality. Leave a like and subscribe.